Government services. In our daily life, we need help from such as postman and the traffic police and many others. There are a number of organizations in our country such as police, banks and post office, hospitals, fire baggage and so on that help us in different ways to lead a comfortable life. Many of these organizations are run by the government. The government has separate departments to look after these organizations. What are government services? Food, clothing and shelter are the basic need of people. To live well, people have to fulfill these needs. Our parents and guidance work and earn money to meet our needs. However, there are other requirements in our life such as clean water, electricity, health care and protection against crime and so on, which are equal important and necessary for our well-being. These services are used by every citizen living in our country. One person alone could not able to provide these services to people as it requires a large number of human resources and expenditure. As a result, the government takes over this responsibility. The services that the government provides for the welfare of its people called government services or public services. Different types of government services. The government provides many services and facilities for the well-being of people. Read on to know more about some of these services. Maintain law and order. The government is responsible for the safety and security of its people. Every citizen must be protected against all kind of danger. He or she must also obey the laws. It is the duty of police to enforce the law of the land so that people can enjoy their rights. The police thus maintains order and peace in the country. It also protects public properties. You can register a complaint in a police station in case of the thief or the report any other crime. Police stations are located in the different areas of every city and town. Healthcare. Healthcare is one of the primary needs of people. Healthcare services are provided by the government in every city, towns and many villages. The government help also set as distributors to remote areas. Special health camps are organized to make people aware of the facility being offered by the government. The doctors in these camps tell people about personal hygiene and health habits and how they can prevent many diseases. Free medical checkups are done by the medicines and are distributed by these camps. Education. Education is necessary for the all-around development of people. The Constitution of India has given the children of 6 to 14 years of age to right to free and compulsory education. To ensure this, the government runs many schools even in remote villages. Our government has launched programs such as Sarva Shakshi Abhinaya at the midday meal scheme to educate children and increase school enrollment and attendance from every section for the society. These programs are especially meant to educate children from the poor section of society and improve the nutritional level among them. The government also runs many colleges and universities to provide higher education to its people. Banking services. Banking plays played an important role in our lives. We deposit our money in banks and keep safe. Banks lead this money to public as loans. In other words, people who need money for business, higher studies, or for purchasing a home or a car can borrow it from the banks. Farmers borrow money from the banks to buy the seeds, tools, or mechanics needs for the farmer. Valuable being to the people are also kept in safe custody with the banks. Nowadays, bank provides many other facilities. You can carry out many activities related to banking from home throughout an internet. You can also withdraw money anytime from automated teller machines. ATMs provides by the bank at different locations. Besides the services that we were discussed in this chapter, the government provides many other services such as postal services and fire and emergency services. The postal system helps us to send and receive mails. The firebird receives people from dangerous fire and also at the time of other disasters such as flood, earthquakes, road accidents, and so on. During natural disasters, the police and the defense force also come to rescue the people. Thank you.